Hey there. Need to send money to a friend or move cash between your own accounts? Transferring money with the SoFi app is quick, whether you're using SoFi Relay, Zelle, or a standard bank transfer. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. In the SoFi app, tap Move Money or the transfer icon. You can transfer between your own SoFi accounts instantly. To send to someone else, you can use Zelle, if both parties are enrolled, for near-instant transfers to their bank account. You can also set up an external bank account link for standard ACH transfers, which take 1 to 3 business days. My crucial pro tip? Use Zelle for speed, but verify the recipient first. Zelle transfers are typically instant and irreversible once the recipient is enrolled. Always double-check the phone number or email address before sending, especially for larger amounts. Treat it like sending cash. That's how you move money securely and efficiently, right from your financial command center. Do you prefer Zelle, Venmo, or good old-fashioned bank transfers for sending money? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on everyday money movement, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.